Ebusuya John Dramani Mahama, the president of the Republic of Ghana. Me no ka say die. Ghana for ni be say ye president wa bon pa dia na John Dramani Mahama. Omo say wa mama fi MPP aban no ntem papa. Omo say John Dramani Mahama ya ma obosumi du baako 11 good months. Untimi nyaade papa bia emfa ma oman Ghana. Omo say pe president a aba aban mu the first year one year hwedia John Dramani Mahama. We are the worst president. You be recording the history of Ghana. No more say obi nam na okase Mahama se fata so onko tetema. Wo sa nipa no. Na wo so ma ye de ko hospital na ko hwe ha say no because ebia na we no wo fault bi wo mu a enema bi wo wadwu mu a enya adwuma. And the ensem de won de bi atodwa tese busuya enya ensem ketwa. Na video no mebo am watie ensem a Ghana fo e ka kire John Dramani Mahama. Almost John Dramani Mahama abon na ye president a onim mambu na onim se na esibubu o ebu o man kire o man dia John Dramani Mahama ena kire se odikan ya enya asem keto o media no so kire se bi obefe bia no obi e ka ho asem na comment section kwa na ebusua kire se mo kuki Mahama o kire se Mahama de wa pon papa almost Mahama pon yi kire se o ba ye de onye hwe o sefata se e be ka se o ye president po man we mu omo mu se Ghana ini president because the president no wa bon in some no say no to ha ye Ghana Nsem TV meeting e dey promise yengo team bra
abosumi du baako me say president ya wa bon asa eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama mampani ya wa bon pa wasa sabi woni mu hu eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama yama one solid good year president abosumi du baako untimi mfa won sankire one single policy one single project waye de ama oman sasa bi me baye maye janan bia na oman pe ba bia janan a omonkoso abosumi du baako kwa afe his excellency John Dramani Mahama NDC aban ehu sabi wo man se ye nkwasiafo because moba niema hoodin ejina eye Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo samuba titisika man nsɛmtwerɛfo adi ne wo moba sɔre anopa akɔtena radio station so sabi aka nsɛm hunu ne nkwase asɛm akyerɛ wo men yamma wabosumi du baako de kɔ afe ato aba ma wo sɛ mampani emfidi a negu Ghana kwan so nana do abandada his excellency eye adwuma yi akwan ma omen mo ba ya na mo stop contractors ni nyina asesa mfidie especially kofijo sesa ni mfidie free Ghana akwan so samu ye hwehwemu awie na o ma hye o madwuma ase ye kwa afini NDC aban timi mfa ne nsankere se akwan a na akufu adugusu ye no ye ba ye ya ye basafa ba ako ato aso da bi hospital ya agenda 111 ye beto ya akufu adu asibi ya wie ni aka ye mfidie de begum be ye adwuma matemamuni no John Dramani Mahama ye NDC aban entumi nkire wo man se me baaye me to bentoa e de koto sa agenda 111 hospital ye wa hayimu dabi ontumi kan bi nkire ye schools wa na akufu adu sie John Dramani Mahama ntimi nkire ye se me baaye ma ton chance de aboso dabi factories our no ankasa policy 24-hour economy ene adane 24-hour rest in peace his excellency John Dramani Mahama baaye ontimi nkire ye se adwuma na mesimi be bia ma mabuna ye bia ye no we ni ne ye dabi yetimi so ye hu gulan krusem ni yakogina baabi ni yajeja ankokọ ama o matukọ soro ade ya lanche enkokọ nketenkete policy but ye hu fie bia mu nipa wo yin akokọ kuro mu ha dabi sabi NDC aban ye his excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ka kire mo ama ho daso ne mo de sabi mubu o mansi ye yankwasiafo because niemu ya politics some be dada o men because muhu ya say yenimu nyansa mo be man nsɛmtwerɛfo sika di na ya besisi radio station so TV station so sabi emu mma bi no a ya yese somro aka nkwase asem ne nsem hunu agu yasum ya ka kire mo untumi medi mampani afe ni akire abra untumi nkire ye one single policy project a waye se wo man dabi ya ti krom hansa ntwerofo ka kire ye se o mayi mu adwo eno makofom enti wanya hwe kura eye ya nyankwada abra na obi kwaje bosia de ya kwan obi kwaje bosia de hwe ye ma school obi kwaje bosia de si hospitals na obi kwaje bosia na ode ye nuoma ahodo wo man mu oba ye abosumi du baako Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ sɛ yɛma wo mmere na emom abosumi du baako mu no waton wo man agapade ama wo nua ye adwuma gi sika gu no botom His Excellency yɛma wo kwan Ghana enya wabusua agapade oman Ghana enya baakofoɔ sabi ebotomu ade oman Ghana enya busua property untumi medi wo man so na ye taxpayers money yemfa ntua moka na abosome poli du baako ye musa wo ne waye na wo nyina ho mfa wo nsa nu utirim ye ba shasi aso asimuso NDC aban so we ni mo botaya mo ba ya na mo threatening crofo say his speech na ene ye mo besoa ya gum mumiensa wam na mo nso ayemum bosome du baako mampani untumi nkyerɛ akwan basafa baako se wei na meba ya ma ya ato aso yeso o man mu adwo akufu ado aban ekɔ MPP ade ane ye ton 50 cedis bosome du baako ene eye 80 cedis kodwom kobusa nkwada pampers nom ko sanitary pad nom ko kodwom kobusa yen kan kyerɛw enam ne atosode ye kodwom kobusa bosome du baako saa bere no se ne ye si tono mo ankasa mo ma mo NDC members no kodwom kobusa ene ne yaduru no wa mansam twrofo sika di ti radio station ni TV station so sabi kansem hunu kyerɛ oman se who waste 4 years no kura no wanya bibia is enough all because of say obaye dollar kofo akufu ado kwaje bosia na wo de ya apan no the schools na esisi hospitals abosumi du baako ye nyamo enya hwe hanhwe mo dabi NDC aban ensi timu pe bibia ye kuro yi mu a mo pe bibi nye ne ye ka kire mo no
John Mahama, good morning. Achoso ho ye. John, wa me afi MPP ntam dodo. Anki apese afi MPP a ye be fe ne be 2027 mu ho. Ba John wa me afi wo mu too much. Wa ma ye kra Ghana fo nyina ye kra hwehwe MPP fo. Sabro bia hyase ye pachew. You di boniti MPP bia hyase ye pachew John. Aden na oyesa. O dollar na watete so no mitimi se artificial. Chese dollar na aba form no. Chese entehwe so. Ukoto duru amu abrewa ne buo ne kosoro die chese ade bia fa dollar hu bia buo still na kwa na ekosoro. Ada wo dollar no star be no. Menti asiu ena Kevin Taylor mo enam se muntimi nya de papa bia nti still na wo munya wa ban mu asem papa bia nka ena atemdidie ena ahufin enu hiani ba ena se na nkwase asem sa Kevin Taylor ti abruchiri na okeka didi atem mama ya fi MPP too much MPP for
ntina se busuya nsama mo tutu jana chese no kokotie ba mo say John Dramani Mahama as the President of the Republic of Ghana busumi dubako a obetina so no enchiche papa bie no mo de ku akwan mu enema ka waka se oba obeye 24-hour economy me no ka say youth no enya adwuma nye oka kire se oba oba restore automatic posting e dey the nurses and the teachers who are school and they are post to me no work say nurses are free 2021 batch e da so ti fie teachers 2023 batch was like post you this year John Dramani Mahama buy no post you me and kasa me sister penini e ka ho bi what you say na and what you know dey asem to you say John Dramani Mahama nan kasa no nipa bi a on kanokre he is not truthful on kanokre but now omo nim say obetime twantro to this extent don't know nim so obetime twantro to this extent and omo say they are very 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 sad say omo to abama John Dramani Mahama. They also said something. You see, let me tell you, the honest truth is that this government is not doing anything. They are not doing anything. And if you are being truthful, John Dramani Mahama is going to go in history as the worst president of the history, or in the history of Ghana. Since Ghana became a country, the president of Kofi as the worst John Dramani Mahama. As your trouble man, so mega man penny. On team for the paper of my Ghana and it's my muffonim by. Just say, I don't know the reason why you even voted for him to become the president of the Republic of Ghana, because he knows nothing about governing a country. He has no idea. He knows nothing. He knows nothing about governing a country. It's very, very sad that people actually voted for this man. Because me name so incompetent. I already knew that he is incompetent. But to the extent that he was able to convince people to vote for him, and then I'm a dream who I mean TSC. And no, and I'm a dream who I mean TSC how he was able to convince people to go and vote for him. Today, he's been president for almost 11 good months and still nothing to show. Nothing to show. And you will see some fools. Now how much I want to say he deserve a third term. Deserve a third term. For doing what exactly? He deserves a third term for doing what exactly? Bro, let's be serious in this country for once. Let's be serious in this country for once and ask ourselves a very simple question. What has John Dramani Mahama? Why here and what say a man called third term? That's the question. This guy is just going around doing unnecessary stuffs and calls himself a president. You're not serious in this country. You are not serious. I'm telling you, if you are serious, John Dramani Mahama wouldn't be the president of the country. But because the citizens that is why we are where we are today. Hi Ghana and Sam TV, mami who swiping to your comment section. What do you think? Do you think say Ampa John Dramani Mahama perform here and I perform it? Your comment and your thoughts my comment section na yemfa mboa ema bibia na nyekama na kama nso I mean shrawo so nyanto kwase na